Hi everybody, this is Joy at House to Rent. Today I'm going to show you 1306 Mack Avenue, apartment F. It is very similar to the other home that we had on the market, which was apartment C, except everything's kind of flipped on the inside. It is a duplex. It does allow for a small pet, no larger than 20 pounds. It's a very cute little apartment. So let's go ahead and turn it around so you guys can all have a look. Right, here's 1306 Mack Avenue. We have a one-car garage, nice brick siding, some landscaping. Let's go ahead and go inside. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, so we'll definitely have a look at that. So when we first go in, you'll see we enter the living room. We do have a ceiling fan, nice neutral paint, carpet flooring, and it's kind of a semi-open floor plan. So we do have linoleum flooring in the kitchen. You have your dishwasher, your electric stove, and plenty of cabinets. We also have a side-by-side fridge with a water filter and an ice maker. Let's go ahead and pan around real quick. And let's take a look at that garage just right off from the kitchen. So here we do have a one-car garage. It is deep. You do have a little extra storage space. Let's go ahead and have a look at that. All right, 1306 Mack Avenue is in a great location. It's not too far from some of your shopping areas from Kroger, things like that, so definitely convenient. So right from the kitchen off to the left, we do have our first door. This here is our coat closet. It also can double as a linen closet, put your towels, your blankets, whatever you prefer. And then right off from our right, we have our first bathroom. So we have our light there, our vanity, and our tub and shower combination there with linoleum flooring. Let's go ahead and straight off from there, we do have, what you guys are seeing straight ahead of us is what we consider the laundry room and a mud room. It does have our furnace in here also. So this is where your washer and dryer hookups are at, and you have a little shelf up there for like your laundry detergent, however you'd like to use that. We have our back door. So let's you guys all have a look. You can see that is the backyard. It kind of butts up with the other yards there. So there's several duplexes in this area. And let's go ahead and go off here to the left. We have what we would consider to be the master bedroom. We have the ceiling fan, a nice window for that natural lighting, again neutral paint. A nice long closet. Let you guys have a look at the closet. There is some shelving there. There is some carpet flooring. All right, and so we do have a 3/4 bath off of the master bedroom with a glass door. Well, it's not, so it has a shower. So there's no tub in a 3/4 bath, it's just the shower. Your vanity there with your sink and your mirror. Drawers and shelving there. Let you guys all have a look there. All right, so straight across from the master bedroom, we do have the second bedroom. It also features a ceiling fan, a nice window for that natural lighting, neutral paint and carpet flooring. And there is our closet. So we have a light in this closet here too. Again, so this is 1306 Mack Avenue, apartment F in Marion, Illinois. Don't forget to visit our website at H2R rentals.com, where you can browse, schedule, and apply all online in one place.